Okay, so the question is design browser history, and the description is pretty well defined, so you can look at yourself. So my idea is I have two stacks. One is history, the other one is future, and no matter what you visit, you always put into your history stack, because that is how you generate your stack. So if you go on your Facebook, on your first page, so the first page will be Facebook, right? So you put on your history. So history stack is your page you visit, and you think, oh, Facebook is not the page you want to visit. You visit Google. Google will be on your top, on the history stack. And then you think, oh, YouTube will be YouTube is the one I want to watch. Okay, YouTube will be on your top in your history stack. So you have two stacks, and the idea is pretty simple. So stack, history, and the future. So make sure you initialize it. I mean, you can put a string inside. That doesn't actually matter, but okay. So again, you visit a page, right? You put into a history. So when you visit, right? So right now on your browser, you visit a page, you cannot even go forward, right? So the future stack has to be empty. Okay, you can just try it on your browser and you will know. So you visit a page, so history.add, because there's the one you visit. Okay, so right now you visit 3 pages: YouTube, Google, Facebook. Now you want to go back. So right now you are on YouTube page. You want to go to Google page. You can just put YouTube page from history to future stack. So right now you are on Google page, right? But your YouTube page is still in your future stack. It still exists in your record. So the idea is simple. So make sure the step is valid, is greater equal 0, and what you actually need is the history dot size has to greater than 1, because when you go back, right, you need a page at least. So imagine Google. You go back to Facebook, so you put Google into your first one in the future stack. So Facebook will be your first one. Facebook will be your page, right? Facebook will be your page. Then what you actually need to do is, since I just told you, you need add into the future, and the method for this, you pop your history one. Then whatever you do is you pick the history stack, because that is your page, history.pick. So forward, right? So right now you're on Facebook. You want to go to your Google page. So Google will be here. So you want to go to a YouTube page again, then you just take your YouTube back. So you know the future stack can be 0, but history stack cannot be 0. I mean the size. So the same things, greater 0, and future the size greater 0. So we put into a history stack. So history.add. Then you just pop your future and step down minus. So you return history.pick, because you always visit in your history stack. So okay, you got this, and submit. Alright, simple. Bye.